Hi you guys, today I will make a video about vocabulary. Firstly, we will learn about weather. Rainy, rainy. Sunny, sunny. Stormy, stormy. Foggy, foggy. Cold, cold. Windy, windy. Snowy, snowy. Hurricane, hurricane. Secondly, we will learn about music. Drum, guitar, violin, violin. Folk music, folk music. Finally, we will learn about feeling. Amazing, excited, surprised, embarrassed, embarrassed. Okay, and that's all about our lesson today. Thanks you guys for watching and listening. Um, See you again in the next lesson. Bye bye.